In this video, I'm driving up to Wyoming to go duck hunting and truck camping on public land. I'm meeting up with my good buddy Saint, who's a very experienced duck hunter and knows how to find birds. The weather looks great with lows in the 30s and highs in the 70s. I'm excited to get up there and I can't wait to make my first duck hunt of the season. Now, let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm headed up to Wyoming to meet up with my buddy Saint, and we're gonna do some duck hunting. I've got like 2 more hours left and I'll be there. All right, we made it. Here's the duck man himself. You pumped?
I'm pumped. A lot of birds in there. Got some other hunters, which is good. Push them around, keep them moving so they're not stagnant. This kind of area, these birds are real stagnant, so it's good there's other people. But we get the best spot.
We're taking a little walk down to see what it looks like, but it should be good. I'm pumped. There's Saint's pumped. First duck hunt of the year. Let's get it. Oh, dude. Cupped up. Oh, like 3 or 4. There they go.
There's more too. Look, you don't see the ones on the right.
There's some more right there on the water. Cool.
Back in?
Yeah, dude. Holy cow. Cool.
Here.
Look at that.
Here.
Our plan is to hunt right on that island. All right, so we found a nice little camp spot for the night. We're gonna be hunting literally right over yonder way. Going through the gear, getting everything set up, kind of organized, ready for the morning. Gotta make some room in the bed so I can sleep tonight. Then we'll start cooking dinner and bed down. Might try to cut some of that old shrub oak and make us a fire. Oh yeah, get down on it. Show me something. Ooh.
Yeah, we got this bad boy.
What you working with?
Oh,
A hella dry pole.
a couple of loose shells in there. Jam your gun up.
Yep, the old machete.
Oh, check that out. It's got a couple battle scars in the old blade.
Gotta have the old machete, dude. Heck yeah. That sled's got some miles on it, huh?
Oh. That's my gator tail right there. Horsepower of 1.
The temp's starting to. Oh shit! Dinner is served. You owe me, kid.
I do.
You really?
I do. It looks pretty good. Hit some cheese on that.
Put a little cheese on it.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
All right.
You got a man, dude.
We're gonna eat that and tend to this fire because it's not really looking that good. And then we'll call it a night. We'll see y'all in the morning.
Yep.
What you think? What you think about the morning?
Oh, we're gonna get them.
And get it
We're
done.
gonna get them. Yeah, and we're getting good meals before. Can't go wrong with that.
That's it. This is home for the night. Oh, it's pretty cozy back here. It's about 9 o'clock. Gonna get some rest and we'll be up at 4 o'clock. We'll see y'all in the morning. Top of the morning to you. It's 39 degrees. Opening day of Wyoming. We just got to our spot. We were able to pull the trucks out. We're gonna drop the gear off and then pull back and park a little ways off. Yeah, I should probably throw those on. Mine are gonna be moist and stiff.
Yeah, they're cold. Yeah.
Working hard this morning, dog. Burning off that old deer spaghetti, huh?
Oh, wait, I'm trying to. That stuff right there is so thick. You weave that into a little rope, it'll pull your F-250 out the mud. Straight up. Oh no, we stuck.
Go.
Grab them bulrushes.
Your dog's gonna be sweating in that thing, bro.
Oh yeah, he's gonna
He
be warm.
got it so insulated with brush. God, you hit a sinkhole.
These bushes will come up.
Oh, wow.
So we're gonna make us.
Oh, dude. There you go. There's, oh my gosh.
So once we get, we'll mess with that.
Yeah.
Once we start doing that, I'm gonna set up the dog blind.
All right. All right, we're waiting on shooting light. We got like 2 or 3 minutes. Ducks been flying. It's gonna be good. Ah, I got it.
Fetch him up.
We got it.
Fetch him up. Shoot it when it hits the wall. Place.
First mallard.
Big Susie.
Let's go.
Stone. Place. Place.
Oh. I don't know what he's doing.
Nice shot. Oh!
Let's go, baby. Gotta go
Get
for
that
it.
dog on him.
Good shot, my boy.
Get out with these.
Watch him, he's coming around. Over the top, take him.
The Susie.
Take him. Nice shot.
Young. Mallard Drake, boy. There you got a yellow bill. What this is? The size different. It's a Drake, orange feet, gray belly,
Yeah,
yellow bill,
yeah.
and that wing.
You gave him every single one of your BBs. I'll tell you that.
That was a crunch fest right here. So we got 6, 7, 8.
All right, we've been shooting lights out so far. We're sitting at 8 ducks. We got to get, what, 4 more? And then,
Yeah, shooting time started less than 20 minutes ago.
dude, great hunting. The mountains in the back, dude, is pretty epic. I love it.
Kill it, Jim. No bird, here. Here.
It's all you.
That's a great up, actually. No, it's a hen mallard, actually. Let's give it a shoot.
I cannot see.
There's that little teal.
Wanna get him? Finish with a teal. Nice! Oh. Oh. You got him.
Did he dive? Is that it? That's it. We're done.
Yeah. All right, we're done. We shot our limit. 12. Pretty good mixed bag, huh?
Yes.
Mallards. What we got?
Mallards, teal, gray ducks, a spoonie, and a canvasback.
Canvasback. My friends are still popping them over there.
There's a lot of people.
That was so fun, dude.
Yeah.
Such a pretty spot. Let's see. Turn on that sun.
Fluff
Oh,
them out like that.
straps. Straps, baby. Yes,
Boy,
sir.
smacked.
Yes,
It just
sir.
sucks it's over so fast.
I know, that's the only thing. But it was still, I mean, we just shot too good. Ended it short.
You want to? Good boy. You gonna get them far ones? Is that one right there?
Yes.
Yeah. Pintail.
That's a pintail?
Yeah, that's that third one.
Dragging the gear out, getting a little workout. Almost back.
Oh, woo! That's gonna taste good.
All right, guys, good morning. It's day 2 out here. We've been setting up decoys. We've got about 20 more minutes until first shooting light. It's not as cold today, but feels good. It's a nice breeze. Axel, you ready? All right, so we're about to get tucked in the blind, get brushed up, drink some coffee, and it'll be about shooting light. Let's get it. Getting that last minute brush. Right there to your right, to your right, to your right, to your right. Nice. Where? Damn, bro. Catch him. Nice, brother. Nice. That was sick. Oh, he's coming, brother. He's coming, brother.
Don't move. He's in the sun now. Jordan, don't move. Now, Jordan, don't move. Kill him. Oh! Good shot.
Right here. Let's go. Got one. Nice, brother. Want to try him if he comes over? Greenhead. Damn. Son. All right, got our 12. Last one fell right over here. Got it. Oh, bluebill. Dogree. That's a wrap. We got it done. Yeah, check him out. Got his first duck.
That right there, my friend, is a bluebill.
Bluebills.
Oh, he fell in the hole. It's a drake. Just ugly.
Show us what we got, dude.
Yeah, you got widgeon, gray ducks, mallards.
Is there a teal in there?
No, no teal.
No teal.
Pretty gray duck. The king of the show here. Second to last bird. Still got some good colors for this time of year.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, duck's still coming, trying to come in here.
All right, guys, we're about to pack up, go meet up with our friends, see how they did. That's gonna do it for this video. If you like this, please subscribe, like, follow along. There's much more to come. I'll see y'all on the next time.